In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go from Spreadsheet to Airtable. If you've outgrown the limits of traditional spreadsheets, this guide will help you move your data into a more flexible, relational workspace without losing control or clarity. Start by preparing your spreadsheet. Open your file in Excel, Google Sheets, or your preferred tool, and make sure your column headers are clear, consistent, and descriptive. Clean up blank rows, remove duplicates, and strip any extra formatting that isn't actual data. Consistent headers and tidy columns will help Airtable recognize your fields correctly during import and save you time later. Next, create a new base in Airtable. Log in, head to your home screen, and click Add a Base. You can start from scratch if you want full control, or begin with a template if you'd like a helpful structure right away. Choose a clear base name so teammates instantly understand what it's for. Now import your spreadsheet. In your base, add a new table and select Import Spreadsheet. Choose your file type, CSV, XLSX, or Google Sheets, and confirm the import. If you're connecting Google Sheets, you may need to grant access once. Keep the default options if you are unsure. You can always refine fields after the import. Quick note while we're here, you'll find a link to Airtable at the top of the description, along with a download link for the desktop and mobile apps if you prefer those. Grab those after the video to follow along on your own. Once your data lands, review field types. Check each column and make sure it matches what you expect. Single line text for short labels, long text for notes, checkbox for yes, no values, date for timelines, single select for dropdowns, and attachment for files or images. If something imported incorrectly, change the field type from the column header and Airtable will adjust the values where possible. If your spreadsheet contains related data, like projects linked to clients, replace manual lookups with linked records. Create a linked field to connect tables and you'll be able to click into related records, roll up summaries, and avoid duplicate typing. Clean and organize your base. Deduplicate any lingering entries, fix formatting, and make sure required fields are filled. Set a strong primary field for each table, ideally a unique identifier like a project code or a formula that combines key values. Create views to focus your work. Use grid for a familiar spreadsheet feel, Kanban for status tracking, calendar for date-driven schedules, and gallery for visual records. Add filters, sorts, and groups to keep each view purposeful. If you want to streamline work, add automations. Choose a trigger, then actions like notifications, status updates, or integrations with other tools. Share your base with teammates using the share button and assign permissions such as read-only, editor, or creator to control access. Finally, test everything. Click through linked records, try filters and sorting, and confirm imported records behave as expected. That's how to migrate from a spreadsheet to Airtable efficiently. Thanks for watching.